Hey guys, let's see how to replace the battery on this APC ES 550. Just make sure that you turn it off like this. Here I have the new battery that I got on Amazon. I'll leave the link here in the description. Then you just need to turn it over like this and open the cover. Just press and slide like this, okay? And here to remove the battery is easy to turn it over because that way you cannot do it correctly, right? Just turn it over like this, then it makes it easier to remove it, just like so. Then remove the cables that you see here. Okay, just put your hand here, remove the cables, there we go. Then grab the new one. And you're gonna connect here with the correct color. So red with red and white with white, right? So let me just remove here the cap, the protection. There we go. And to make it easier, you just turn it over again. Grab the red one first. Then you approach with the battery like this. The red one facing down. Just pull the cable here, the red one. And connect it here. Then you do the same with the white one. Connect it here. There we go. Then you just slide the battery. Push the cable and bring back the cover, slide it here, and you're good to go. Very simple, okay? Now I just need to charge it for some time and I'm good to go. So hope that helps. I'll leave the link here in the description for the battery. Leave your comments here, your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.